Everyone, Glenn Dixon with Toronto Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's Yacht Sales Network, and welcome aboard this 1995 Maple Bay 27, built in Vancouver. Bit of an unusual boat to find here in Ontario, and just a beautiful little boat. You can see the woodwork is fantastic, the joinery great. We're inside the main salon right now. We do have a helm at the rear with a nice little seating area, which you can see in our 360 photos and some individual photos that I posted. Nice little refrigerator here. You can see you've got lots of the creature comforts. Looks like the upholstery is brand new. This folds down into a berth. We've got a nice little desk here. We do have a cooking area here with a nice hot plate, a Master Chef hot plate. Really well done. Storage underneath, which is beautiful. By the way, you don't have to look at me. This is a 360 degree video. You can pan around as you wish. I'm going to move you over here where you can see a little bit better. We've got a deep stainless sink here. Forward of me here, you can see a beautiful little aft cabin, V-berth. And we have a nice head, TV, lots of light. These are covered with privacy shades right now, but you can't open those, so very nice. Back there you can see it's got new canvas with screens. Just a gorgeous little boat. We've got a table that goes in here as well, table in the back. Absolutely stunning little boat. You can reach me at Glenn, G-L-E-N, at TorontoYachtSales.com, 905-409-1908. I would say get up here to see this boat very soon because it's just not going to last.